Welcome to Banana Accounting, an easy-to-use accounting software that works like Excel. This video will show you how to create an accounting file with the Cash Manager. A Cash Manager accounting file allows you to enter and monitor the movements of your money or of the cash account. Start with the creation of a new file. Click on the new icon. Select the region and the language, the category and the type of accounting between Cash Manager with or without VAT. Finally, choose the template that best suits your activity. In the popped-out window, change the name, the opening and closing date, and the base currency. Enter the opening balance. First, use the accounts table to enter the opening balance of the cash account. Adapt the categories table. The accounts relating to income and expenses are grouped in the categories table. Adapt categories to your situation. You can add and edit categories, or delete unnecessary ones. Enter the transactions. In the transactions table, enter the accounting movements indicating the date, description, amount in or out, and the category to which the income or expense is to be allocated. Repeat these operations for all transactions. Each time you enter an accounting transaction, you can check the amount of the cash account instantly in the balance column. You can also check the evolution of your liquidity by viewing the cash account graph. This way, you are able to always keep your cash flow under control. For further information, visit banana.ch.